Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. I said, this is Intervlog. Today, we bring you a historic success story, a story that resonates with the heartbeat of our continent. The story of Burkina Faso's remarkable journey towards food sovereignty under the visionary leadership of President Captain Ibrahim Traoré. In 2024, a strategic decision changed the trajectory of Burkina Faso's agricultural sector. President Ibrahim Traoré took a bold step by purchasing 400 tractors. A move that laid the foundation for a revolutionary transformation in food production. These tractors were not mere machines. They were symbols of self-determination, tools of empowerment, and engines of economic independence. And today, we see the fruits of this vision, the flourishing of the Burkinabe tomato industry, culminating in the large-scale production of tomato paste under the brand Adia. The Sobto tomato processing plant in Bobo Dioulasso stands as a testament to this success. With a production capacity of 100 tons of tomato paste per day, this factory has created jobs, energized local farmers, and placed Burkina Faso on the map as a serious player in agro-industrial development. No longer shall Africa's kitchens be filled with foreign tomato pastes when we can produce our own, with the rich, sun-kissed flavors of Burkinabe tomatoes. The impact of this project extends beyond agriculture. It touches the lives of every Burkinabe citizen, from the hard-working farmers who toil under the sun to cultivate fresh tomatoes to the factory workers who process these tomatoes with dedication and skill. The availability of locally made tomato paste means affordability, accessibility, and a product that reflects the very essence of our soil. This is economic transformation in its purest form, driven by the people and for the people. President Traoré's agricultural policies are not just about producing food. They are about securing the dignity of the Burkinabe people and setting an example for the rest of Africa. This is governance with vision, governance with a purpose. His commitment to food self-sufficiency is reshaping our future, eliminating dependency on foreign products, and ensuring that Africa takes control of its own destiny. The establishment of the Sobto factory is a shining example of how investment in local industries strengthens national resilience. Instead of importing foreign-made tomato paste that drains Africa's economy, Burkina Faso is now producing and exporting its own, keeping wealth within the country and creating opportunities for generations to come. This is a bold step toward a future where African nations sustain themselves with their own resources, showcasing the power of strategic leadership. As we celebrate this remarkable feat, let us remember that this is not just a victory for Burkina Faso. It is a beacon of hope for the entire African continent. The success of Sobto demonstrates that when African leaders prioritize self-reliance, invest in local production, and empower their people, true economic liberation becomes possible. We at Intervlog celebrate this landmark achievement. The days of foreign tomatoes dominating African markets are numbered. Burkina Faso has declared that Africa can and will feed itself. This is more than a victory for one country. This is a continental triumph. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the impact of this groundbreaking initiative, the role of local farmers, and how President Ibrahim Traoré's governance is proving that Africa can rise through agriculture. We will bring you testimonies from farmers, factory workers, and everyday consumers who are witnessing firsthand the transformation taking place. This is Intervlog, where we tell Africa's success stories, unfiltered and unapologetic. Long live Burkina Faso! Long live African self-reliance! Long live President Ibrahim Traoré! Sobto. Tomato paste made in Burkina, soon in the markets. The chairman of the board of directors of the Agency for the Promotion of Community Entrepreneurship, APEC, Mr. Samuel KALKOUMDO, on Monday, 3rd February 2025, paid Bobo Dioulasso an unexpected visit to the premises of the tomato processing plant. Sobto. The aim of this visit is to observe the massive production phase of tomato paste and to encourage the staff. A tomato processing plant in full production. This is what Mr. Samuel KALKOUMDO, Chairman of the Board of Directors, PCA, of the Agency for the Promotion of Community Entrepreneurship, APEC, and the Burkinabe Tomato Society, Sobto, as soon as he arrived at the plant premises. He could see the commitment of Sobto's CEO and his team to work tirelessly so that in the coming days, tomato paste made in Burkina will be on the market. I have seen a committed team for this massive production phase, and, for that, I congratulate the CEO of Sobto and his staff. I assure the people of Burkinabe that in the coming days we will have on the market, in our shops, on our plates, tomato paste made in Burkina branded Adia, said the chairman of the board of directors of APEC. Sobto's general manager, Mr. Didier Sainon, stated that he and his collaborators are eager to launch boxes of tomato concentrate of 2,200 grams, 400 grams, 850 grams, 70 grams, and bags of 60 grams and 10 grams for Happiness Burkinabe population. He also stressed that a communication will be made during the commercialization phase to inform the public about the availability of the brand Adia, with authorized wholesalers who will be responsible for distribution to retailers. In view of the construction project of the Bobo Dioulasso tomato factory, the president of the board of directors of APEC and Sobto, Mr. Samuel KALKOUMDO, invites the Burkinabe people to always subscribe massively to the popular shareholder for true independence and real autonomy of Burkina Faso. The Sobto plant has a production capacity of 100 tons of tomato paste per day. She employs about 70 permanent workers and 100 daily workers, all of Burkinabe nationalities. Speech by President Captain Ibrahim Traoré on the Burkina Faso's agricultural transformation and the Sobto tomato paste project. My dear compatriots, sons and daughters of our beloved Burkina Faso, fellow Africans and friends of progress. It is with great pride and determination that I stand before you today to speak of a monumental achievement, a victory for our people, a triumph of our resilience, and a testament to what we can accomplish when we stand together with a shared vision. Burkina Faso is rising, and the world is bearing witness. As you all know, agriculture is the backbone of our economy, the very foundation upon which our ancestors built this great land. It is through the sweat of our farmers, the richness of our soil, and the blessing of our sun that we cultivate our future. In 2024, we took a decisive step toward ensuring our food sovereignty by investing in our agricultural sector, an investment that is already bearing fruit. We made a bold choice to purchase 400 tractors, a decision rooted in our commitment to modernizing agriculture and empowering our farmers. These tractors are not just machines. They are weapons of economic liberation, tools of independence, and symbols of our refusal to depend on foreign nations to feed ourselves. With these tractors, we have plowed our lands, expanded our farmlands, and increased our productivity. One of the most shining examples of our agricultural revolution is the success of the Société Burkinabe Tomato Sobto, our very own tomato processing plant in Bobo Dioulasso. This factory, built with the hands and minds of Burkinabe patriots, now produces 100 tons of tomato paste per day, a feat that was once considered impossible. No longer shall our markets be flooded with foreign-made tomato paste. No longer shall we send our hard-earned money outside our borders when we can produce and consume our own. The success of Sobto marks the beginning of a new era, an era where Burkina Faso dictates its own economic destiny. My dear compatriots, there's a saying in our villages, "Celui qui mange dans la main des autres ne sera jamais rassasié." He who eats from the hands of others will never be satisfied. For far too long, Africa has been made to believe that it cannot feed itself. We have been told that we must rely on imported food, on processed goods made elsewhere, on industries controlled by foreign interests. But today, Burkina Faso is proving them wrong. We are feeding ourselves. We are producing for ourselves. And soon we will be exporting to the rest of Africa. When we consume what we produce, we enrich ourselves. When we depend on foreign imports, we enslave ourselves. This is why our government has taken decisive steps to ensure that Made in Burkina Faso becomes a source of national pride. Our local products must take center stage in our markets, in our homes, and on our tables. The establishment of Sobto has not only improved our food security, but it has also created employment opportunities for our people. Over 70 permanent workers and 100 daily workers, all of Burkinabe nationality, are now contributing to this great national cause. Our farmers now have a guaranteed market for their tomatoes, and our youth have jobs that give them dignity. Economic independence starts with industrial independence. By producing and processing our own goods, we ensure that wealth remains within our country. This is what real development looks like. This is how we will build a Burkina Faso that is strong and prosperous. My brothers and sisters, what we are witnessing today in Burkina Faso is a model for the rest of Africa. Our success with the Sobto project is proof that any African nation can break free from economic dependency if it invests in its own resources and people. Aujourd'hui, nous avons brisé nos chaînes. Aujourd'hui, nous marchons avec fierté vers un avenir radieux. Today, we have broken our chains. Today, we walk with pride towards a bright future. Let this be a call to all African leaders. Our future is in our hands. If Burkina Faso can do it, every African nation can do it. It takes bold leadership, unwavering determination, and an unshakable belief in the potential of our people. A new dawn for Burkina Faso. My dear compatriots, as we stand at the dawn of a new era, I urge you all to support this national effort. Let us buy and consume Burkinabe-made products. Let us support our farmers. Let us work hand in hand to build a Burkina Faso that is self-sufficient, strong, and unshakable. Quand l'eau monte, le poisson mange la fourmi. Quand l'eau baisse, la fourmi mange le poisson. When the water rises, the fish eats the ant. When the water recedes, the ant eats the fish. The tides are turning in our favor. We must seize this moment, consolidate our gains, and ensure that our progress is irreversible. Burkina Faso will never again be a land of dependency. We will be a land of productivity, a land of opportunity, and a land of success. I want to thank every hard-working Burkinabe farmer, every factory worker, every entrepreneur, and every citizen who believes in our vision. You are the true heroes of this movement. Burkina Faso is rising, and there is no turning back. Long live Burkina Faso. Long live African self-reliance. Vive notre souveraineté alimentaire. Long live our food sovereignty. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog, same time, tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.